Hi guys, welcome back to our channel AAVA. Today we are going to prepare Karnataka Hoskote special mutton biryani. For this biryani, we need to prepare a masala powder with all the spices. Let's start. Take a mixer jar and add 2 biryani leaves, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 1 cup of fennel seeds, 1 cup of dhania seeds, 1 star anise, 3 ilaichis, 1 marat mogu, 3 cloves, few peppercorns, and you can add some stone flower as well if you wish. So here is the 1 kg mutton which I took for this biryani. Let's cook the mutton first. Let's take a pressure cooker and switch it on. Add 1 full cup of ghee. Once the ghee is heated, let's add a mutton. Give it a stir. Add little bit of salt.
Add little bit of salt, only 1 not 2.
Add little bit of mirchi powder, little bit of turmeric powder. Add some water. Give it a mix once. Now put on the lid and keep it for 4 whistles on a medium flame, or at least half an hour. For this biryani, I am taking 6 cups of sona masoori rice. And soak this rice for at least half an hour. Now let's prepare biryani. Take biryani pot, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. And add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it is heated, add 4 slices of green chilies. Add 4 big size onions chopped. Give it a mix. Add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Little bit of salt. And give it a mix. add chopped tomatoes of 4. Close the lid and let it settle down. Now let's give it a mix. Add little bit of chopped mint leaves. Add little bit of chopped coriander leaves. Give it a stir. Now let's open the pressure cooker and see how good the meat is cooked. See, the meat is getting separated from the bone, which means the meat is perfectly cooked. Now let's add the mutton. Keep the stock water aside. We will use it at the time of adding water to biryani. Give it a mix. Now add little bit of turmeric powder, chili powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons, little bit of jeera powder, and the masala paste which we grinded at the start. Give it a mix. Add little bit of salt. Now we will add the stock water which is left. This stock water gives a much flavor to the biryani. Here I am taking water in 1:2 ratio. For 6 cups of rice, I am taking 12 cups of water. Add little bit of salt for biryani. Just check the taste once and add if anything needed. Now let's add the rice. Add little bit of ghee just for a top up. Now close the lid and put it in a medium flame for 10 minutes. Now let's remove the lid and see.
Give it a stir.
Just give it a mix.
Give it a stir.
Stir, huh? Okay. My kid is also very interested in cooking, especially the non-veg. Close the lid and wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's open the lid and see the biryani. Now the biryani is perfectly cooked. Now let's take the biryani into the plate. Now let's have hot bisi Hoskote Mutton Biryani. Happy eating!